Thanks for clicking on my channel, Joy's Way. I'm Joy, and if you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning supporter of mine, welcome back, awesome person. So today, I'm going to do, I believe I've decided, the last series of Battle of the Boxes! So, if you're unfamiliar with Boxycharm or Ipsy, this is the Plus. Let me explain them right quick. So, they're $25. No, I'm lying. The prices have changed. I forgot. So, the Boxycharm Base Box is $25 a month, and they just upped their prices. The Premium went to $39.99, and the Lux that you get every 3 months went up to $59.99, which, thank God, I've never gotten the Lux, so I gotta worry about that one. And the IPSY Plus went up to $28 a month, and they also have 2 more variations. They have the IPSY GLAM Bag, which used to be $12 a month and is now $13 a month, and then they have the GLAM Bag X, which I heard, so if I'm wrong, let me know and I'll change it, because I also have all this information in the description, but I heard that that's staying the same at $55 a month. So there's that. So let's go ahead and get into this base box. I went ahead and cut it already and give you a little sneak peek. So we have our card, and for October, the card is Spellbound, and I have variation 4. Woohoo! Alrighty, so we're gonna start off with my choice, which was this Milk and Honey highlight. I have so many highlighters. I don't know. I have to get rid of some of them, I'm afraid. But the choices that they gave me, I think it was like 2, I could be wrong, but I think it was 2 skincare products, stuff that I have so much of already, and then a highlighter palette. And so this is the highlighter palette, what it looks like. It is by Beauty Bakery. But anyways, ooh, those are so pretty. And those are the colors. You do get a plastic thingy and no mirror, and it says that this values $38. Now, I can already tell by looking at my box that I did not get an Ace Beauté palette, and I'm a little bummed about that because it looks like they consider this a palette, which I know it is, but I have on my thing that I want eyeshadows more than anything. And then I think I have mascaras, and then lipsticks, blushes, and then the last thing is highlights. So I feel like this shouldn't have even been an option if they wasn't going to give me a what is it called? A palette. So I'm a little bummed about that because I have not entered in a couple of giveaways, because some people get double boxes and they've gotten 2 Ace Beauté palettes, and they were doing giveaways, and I was like, I'm not going to enter in these giveaways because I'm going to get one too, because at the time I thought everybody was getting them. Every Boxycharm box that I had seen unboxed, people were getting them. Anyways, let me just go on, I'm bitching. So then they sent me this Laura Geller Sparkling Skin Perfecting Primer. Ooh, I like primers actually. Hydrate, moisturize, and replenishes. That's super cool. It says farewell dry flaky skin. So that means that this is for somebody dry. I'm not a dry girl. I'm an oily biatch. But it says this is $32. The next thing that they sent me is this tinted, I think it's tint, and it is a lash and brow dual, and so that is what that looks like. Now, I'm a little worried about this because I watched Manny MUA. I'm looking for something to open it. Okay, so I watched Manny MUA, and he got this. He gets Boxycharm sent to him for review, and he used this. Okay, and so I'm gonna try it out. But when he used the brown for his brows, it like changed it, like almost like an ash brown, and the lashes were fine though. So I don't know. So that's that. But anyways, this retails for $29. And then they sent me these Mary lashes, and I actually have on my beauty quiz no lashes, like, because I have like I put no accessories or whatever. So anyways, I have so many lashes and I don't use many glue-on lashes these days, so I'm not going to open that. The last thing, oh, these are $25, which I do not pay $25 for lashes. Like, I go to Walmart if I get lashes, the glue-on kind, and I'll get like, what is it, like 7 or 10 of them for like $10 to $12. No, thank you. And then the last thing that they sent was the Peel Cosmetics Adhesive Liquid Liner, because I needed another liquid liner. Yeah. Even though I think I have, I don't know, I think liners are one of the things that I have on my list. But it seems like I get a liner every month. Oh, they have, that's kind of cool. They have, on both sides it has little sticker things, so that way it's really hard to get in the box. So anyways, I do like liquid liners, but I have so many of them, I think they're all going to dry out before I have a chance to use them all. And that is $29. Let me add that up really quick. I have a little calculator somewhere. I don't know what I did with it. Good thing I have a phone with the calculator on it, which I have to get on here anyways to do my the Ipsy thing, because it never tells you the prices when you... Alright, so the total came out to $153, and so I'm going to go ahead and log into my account on Ipsy right quick. Alright, so let's go ahead while that's loading. Get this. Here's my Ipsy bag. And I do like this bag this month. I like the feel of it. I like the lips. I like how they're like dragon. Or not dragon. How they're like vampires, but what would have made this better is if they would have dripped a little blood off of each one of the little teeth things right here. That would have made it so much cooler. Alright, so don't want to upgrade. They always are trying to get me to upgrade, and I don't want to upgrade. Like, no thank you. I don't want the Ipsy X ever, because it's not wowing. Like, there's nothing wowing about it to me. I know some people like it, but alright, let's go ahead, and we're going to do what they chose for me first. The first thing they chose for me was this Murad Renewing Eye Cream, and I just got eye cream. I don't remember where I got it from. I think it was from like last month. So anyways, this right here is the eye cream, and I'm using other eye cream right now, so it's going to take forever for me to get to, but here's what this looks like. It's kind of cute. I like how it pumps out. Hopefully it don't pump out a lot. And this little guy right here is $82. I need to find a spot to write it down. I never come prepared. Never, ever, ever. Alright, here's a pen. Oh, I can write it on this thing right here. Okay, let's see. That's 82. Alrighty, then the next thing that they sent me was this Dermalact, whatever, sleeping mask stuff. And this is like, I think $42, because I've gotten it 2 times before. I got this and I believe my Boxycharm, and then they sent it to me the exact same thing, the Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum, and they sent it to me through Influencer to try out, and I'm telling you, that shit stunk so bad that I didn't try the other one, and I'm not going to try this one either, because it stunk so bad that it was making, like, my eyes swell up, and was making my eyes like swell up and cry and do all that stuff. So this I'm going to be putting in a future giveaway. So now I have 2 of them, and I'm sure they're really, really good, but I have, I guess, like sensitive, like if it's too strong of something, I just can't deal with it. But yeah, that's $42. Then the next thing is something I picked. And my first choice, I got this little... I didn't have really good choices again. Like, I swear the only month that I had good choices was in August. I got my hopes up, and then they just be knocking me down after that. But I got this Busy Art palette, and I do believe that I'm probably going to put this in a giveaway, because I have I have the other two. Where are they at? Oops. Right here. So, let's see. If you look, the only real difference that I'm seeing is I don't have the white shade. Oh, let me go this way. Is I don't have the white shade. The rest of the shades are identical, or they look identical. So, as much as I like Viseart, let me do that again. As much as I like Viseart shadows, this one's probably going to go in a giveaway because I could do all the same looks with these two than this one. But alright, let me put those back. So let me go ahead and show you this really quick. Because these are really, man, my hair is just like all over the place and I don't know why. But let me show you this one really quick. Here are the beautiful shades. And yeah, I mean the purple that I have in the other one is brighter, and then these are like browns and stuff, and yeah, I'm not going to keep this. But anyhow, this is a $30 palette. And I believe it's worth the $30. Like, if I had the money to buy the bigger Viseart palettes, there's a couple of them that I'd actually get, but they're so expensive. Then, the next thing that I picked was this FAST Zen. It is Fatigue, Aging, Stress, and Toxics, and Feel Zen. And this is, what is it? This is a clean beauty, and it is a cleanser, I believe. I think that's why I got it. I don't remember. Yep, it's a cleanser. So anyways, I love cleansers. I have a few of them put back to try out. Like, so this is going to be put back to try out because it does take a while to use products. And this product, they do say is $38, but I wash my face like twice a day at least, sometimes more. Sometimes I play with makeup like 3 or 4 times a day, and then I wash my face 3 or 4 times, and so I need cleansers. And some cleansers do work better than others, so I try to remember to keep track of that. The last thing that I picked was these brushes, and I hear that these brushes are super good. I don't know like how good they are. I've never used this brand before. It is Love and Craft Beauty, and I do believe that they're going to be perfect for my eyes. Because if not, I'm taking the e.l.f. ones back and putting these in the giveaway box. But I don't... Oh, yes, I think they're going to be perfect. They're going to be perfect for my small little eyes. Except for... that's just too big of a brow brush, I think. But I like this pointy one here. They have the names on them? No, but they just have numbers. But yeah, so that's super cute. I like them. I like the way they look. And they say these are $55. I beg to differ. But let's go ahead. Let me add this up really quick. Alrighty, so I got $247 for that bag. And that's because of the ridiculously priced Murads and the ridiculously priced brushes. Everything else was pretty much average price. But I am going to have to go with my Ipsy this month because I was disappointed that I didn't get an Ace Beauty palette from Boxycharm when that is my #1 product that I want is eyeshadow palettes. I do hope that you enjoyed watching me do the last Battle of the Boxes. I'm still going to upload Ipsy and Boxy unboxing, but now that school's in and I have less things to do, I'm going to need a little bit more content for my channel. But I do hope that you enjoyed watching me unbox these boxes. I want you to know that I do appreciate every single minute that you come and hang out with me. I do love you. I do hope that you have a wonderful day. Remain awesome and peace out, awesome crew.